Hi, my name's Mike DeChico, co-founder of Sacred Healing Supply Company, and I'm here with our co-founder, Estrella Ortega, and we want to show you how to use our Sacred Healing Gua Sha.
Thanks, Mike. I'll take it from here. The Gua Sha tool has so many benefits. Today, I'm going to focus on my daily skincare routine. Get these tips and more in our complimentary book included with every purchase. First, you want to start off with a clean face. Next, apply oil or lotion. You want to hold the Gua Sha like this. Start by rubbing your shoulders toward your ears in an upward motion. You want to repeat on both sides. Then you're going to hold it like this, and we're going to work on our chin. Now we're going to work on our lips and our cheekbones. And next we're going to do our forehead. Remember to go in an upward motion or sideways towards your ears. Next, we're going to move on to our nose. And last but not least, we're going to do our eyebrows. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and for more information, check out our website, sacredhealingsupplycompany.com.